Okay, so first of all আমার সাথে একটু পড়ে ফেলেন তো there is I'm not getting your sound there is a book on the table there is a helmet there is a helmet in the Jia Uddan there is a tree in Jia Uddan there is a helmet in the field there are two books in the classroom there are many books in the classroom listen if you got one thing just you can explain there is যেমন এখানে একজন পুলিশ অফিসার আছে ইংরেজিতে কি হবে there is a police officer in this area in this park যদি দুইজন পুলিশ অফিসার থাকে there are two police officers in this park বলা যাবে না যেখানে অনেকগুলো থাকে তাহলে কি হবে there are many আমার সাথে বলেন তো there are many police officers there are many police officers in this field there is a police officer in this field there are two police officers in this field there are many police officers in this field do I make you understand hey anyone hey listen so now we'll go for 10 minutes only open discussion okay 10 minutes open discussion means এই জায়গাটাকে সুন্দর করে কিভাবে ইংলিশে আমরা বর্ণনা করতে পারি বুঝতে পেরেছি that could be our today's session do I make you understand make a pair you'll get 3 minutes then we'll go for open discussion everybody stand up and make a pair